Here's the first thing you should do if you start noticing a loud noise coming out of a dishwasher that used to be quiet. Open it up and take a look underneath the filter at the bottom. The first thing I did was take note of when the loud noise happened. The dishwasher typically runs for an hour and 55 minutes, and the loud noise was happening at the end of each drain cycle. I thought maybe the pump had worn out, but first I decided to look under the drain filter to see if there was anything obvious in there. Just slide out the dish rack and then unscrew the drain filter on the bottom of the dishwasher and see if anything is floating around inside. And sure enough, I found a metal twist tie inside. It was probably getting caught in the propeller, and that's what caused the loud buzzing sound. Problem solved. This could save you a lot of trouble in terms of bothering your neighbors and also paying unnecessarily for a service call. Of course, there could be other causes of dishwasher noise, and I was glad this time it was really simple. Thanks for watching, and for more info on noise and soundproofing, visit soundproofist.com.